What's up? Alright, so y'all already know what I'm doing today. A Popeyes mukbang. So I'm gonna be talking about stuff that's going on right now. But let me show y'all this freaking lemonade. Like, yo, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, one fact about me, my favorite drink is lemonade, and this is like heaven to me right now. But y'all need to go get that when y'all go to Popeyes because it's good. For all my lemonade lovers out there like me, because I love me some lemonade. So I got a chicken sandwich. I got two chicken sandwiches. I don't know if this is the mild one or the spicy one. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. And then I got two apple pies. So, yeah. And for some reason, I'm not even that hungry right now, but I'm gonna make this video for y'all. So, got the sauce on there. Damn, I'm about to say where the freaking pickles at, like, cause if they ain't put no pickles on this, I'm about to just say they bugging. But that's good. We gotta make sure this is hot. We'll eat it. Let y'all take another bite. I'm gonna get into what I'm gonna talk about. Okay. All right. So I might seem a little if y'all just seen that I'll cool with it. But I might seem a little flustered right now. I don't know the right word, whatever. Like a little okay, let me just be real. Like a little down right now, whatever. But I'm trying to up my spirits for my YouTube. And I feel like YouTube always make me happy to just get on camera and just talk. But yeah, it's like hard for me to talk about this right now. Alright, so I told you guys about me doing the pageant and I was a state finalist and I was like really excited. But you know, life happens, so I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to do the pageant because life happened. You know what I mean? Some things in life you just can't control, and right now I'm like going through a lot, so I might not be able to do the pageant. Um, I'm like really upset about it, but it's like life. Like sometimes you just can't control what happens in life. Like no matter how much you want to control stuff or you wish things didn't happen, you can't always control stuff. Like I read the Bible yesterday, right? So it was like, you know, everything that happens is already written. Everything that happens in your life, God already wrote it before you was born. You know what I mean? So it's like reading that just made me understand. You know, it's crazy because I was like praying and praying like, and it's like God just sent me a sign in the Bible about that. And it's crazy because I wasn't even, I was strolling, like, you know, reading it, but it was like the first, second page that I came across. And it's like, wow, like, but you know, I feel like sometimes when things are taken away or something happens, it's just to make room for something even better to happen, you know? So I'm trying to have like a positive mind about it or whatever. But yeah, it's like more than one thing happening in my life right now. But you know, it is what it is because I'm a strong ass person. I'm trying not to curse. I'm very strong, so you know, I'm gonna get through it. Whatever, you know, it is what it is. But so, um, Mm. Please, Popeyes gonna make me feel better. But mm, ooh, y'all seen that? Excuse me. But for anybody that's going through something, you know, you're gonna make it through. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you're gonna make it out. You're gonna make it strong. You're gonna come out strong at the end of the day. Like, no, remember, always remember this. No weapon against me shall prosper. That's a fact. You know what I mean? Like, that's a big fact. Keep that in your mind anytime you're feeling down. No weapon against me shall prosper. I'm like a person that always think of like, I try to see the positive even when it's like a whole bunch of stuff happening. You know, I try to see the positive in the situation. I try to, because that's the only thing that's gonna help me keep a positive mind about any situation. You know, so yeah. Let me tell y'all right now, my legs is killing me. Like, I don't know what I've been going through just to make a YouTube video. Like, my legs is hurting right now. Y'all should see my legs right now. But, whoo, hold on, guys. I gotta sit. Ooh! I'm like, some, what's the name right now? I can't even see me. Yo, this is crazy. You see the sacrifices people make for YouTube? Like, this is some crazy, excuse my language, I ain't gonna curse. This is some crazy ish right now, like, for real. They're probably like, this chick is crazy. Woo. Oh, hell no. Nah. Oh, hell to the motherfucking no. I'm gonna be ending this video right here. It wasn't that long, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. So, I need to get a chair or something. This is crazy. Like, but thanks for watching though. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do your thing, girl. Do your thing.